How to fix Discord login blocked by suspicious activity. So if your Discord login has been blocked by suspicious activity, there could be various reasons why this is happening. The first thing is that maybe you are logging in on a newer device using a newer network. So try to log in on the same device and also try to use the different Wi-Fi networks, or you can try to turn off VPN, Proxy, or any type of custom DNS settings if you've been using them. It could also happen if you're logged into Discord on multiple devices. So in that case, you can simply try to enter the email address of your particular Discord account. Once you've entered the email address, you can click on this option called Forgot Password, and over here you can simply tap the link in your email to sign in instantly, no password needed. So now you can go to your email and simply log in and see if you've received the login link from Discord. And once done, you can click on the login to Discord option over here or reset your password as well. So these are a couple of ways on how you can hopefully fix the login blocked issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.